Welcome to this review of Ghost, the highly rated CMS designed for professional blogging and content management. Ghost is a robust platform for those who want to build fast and secure websites or blogs without the bloat of traditional website builders. The interface is sleek, modern, and user-friendly, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Ghost stands out due to its powerful focus on content creation and delivery. It's optimized for speed, providing clean and responsive design out of the box. The setup process is straightforward, whether you're using it for a blog, membership site, or an online publication. Once you signed up, the first thing you'll notice is the intuitive dashboard. The navigation is simple, and it's clear where to find all the tools you need to customize your site. One of the key features of Ghost is its flexibility. The platform offers a range of customizable themes, though users can also code their own if needed. Ghost also supports dynamic content through integrations with tools like Zapier and Stripe, enabling you to add features like e-commerce, paid subscriptions, and email marketing. When it comes to performance, Ghost excels with its fast loading times, which is crucial for SEO and user experience. The platform is built on Node.js, ensuring that your website runs efficiently and can handle high traffic loads without slowing down. Another standout feature is Ghost's built-in SEO tools. From the start, the platform provides you with options to optimize your site for search engines, including clean URLs, meta tags, and automatic sitemaps. This makes it easier for your content to rank higher and reach a broader audience. Ghost is also known for its subscription-based business model. It allows you to create a subscription-based website or membership site with ease. This means that you can monetize your content through paid memberships, offering exclusive content to paying subscribers. The platform makes it easy to manage your subscribers, track payments, and even send out email newsletters directly from the platform. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. These links will guide you to more information on topics like website performance, SEO strategies, and some recommended plugins for Ghost. For pricing, Ghost offers both self-hosted and managed hosting options. The managed service is a premium option with pricing based on the number of users and features you need. However, for those on a budget, the self-hosted version gives you full control over the platform without ongoing costs, though it requires a bit more technical know-how to get started. In conclusion, Ghost is an excellent option for anyone serious about blogging or building a content-driven site. It offers a clean, modern design, fantastic performance, and powerful features, all while keeping things simple and user-friendly. Whether you're a solo blogger or a growing media company, Ghost provides the tools you need to succeed online. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching.